People think I'm crazy, but I absolutely love what I do. My name is Cavallaro and I own Tradie Troopers. I started university and had no idea where I wanted to be or what I was doing. And I started a couple of subjects in accountancy in my first year and realised that's the direction that I wanted to go in. And I realised that I had a passion for helping tradies especially. There was such a massive gap in what they needed, and I felt that there was a beautiful niche there where I could help them and really succeed in business. We really focused on the building and construction industries, and we slowly built up a team. They are in the industry, they understand the industry. We are starting to get our name out there, and a lot of tradies refer us to other tradies because they can see what we actually do for them. QuickBooks has always been our primary software that we use with our clients. It's also compliant with STP now, and we can really use a lot of the features in the building and construction industry with reporting, budgeting, job costing through the software. Prior to having QuickBooks Online, that clients were basically recording things ad hoc, whether it was on Excel or through the bank statements, whereas now it's updated weekly. Having the live payroll in there, it makes it easy for the client to be compliant with things like your PAYG withholding, with your super. They don't fall behind, and that money's all been provisioned simply by using the payroll side of QBO. The reports are incredibly easy to understand from a client's perspective, and you can also customise reports so that the clients can see those reports every time they want to log in. If the client needs access to an invoice, it's there. It's simply a click of the button. The dashboard. The clients can see who owes them money, they can see who they owe money to, they can see the profitability of their business, they can see how much is in their bank account, all simply by looking at this one dashboard. I only recommend QuickBooks Online. Accountants need to change the way they work with clients and how they process data. We need to use QBO so that we can streamline the process and spend more time working with the client and advising them of how they can improve and run their business.